Whether you're new to the vinyl scene or an experienced collector in search of an upgrade, this video will help give you some more information so you can make the right choice when buying a turntable. We'll be featuring some of the 5 best items in this category to help you choose the turntable suited for your preferences. If you'd like to find out more prices and information about the products in this video, you can check the links in the description below. So join us as we introduce them one by one. Let's get started. At number 1 on our list is the Project All-in-One Turntable. This turntable brand provides high-quality products that force 21st century technology. This turntable is plug-and-play with its cartridge, a built-in 25-watt amplifier, a phono stage, and a Bluetooth receiver. Developed around an excellent hi-fi quality turntable, the Jukebox E is rather one of a kind, along with all-in-one turntable solutions. The Jukebox E is also much better at retaining great sound quality by preventing zapping vibrations with its medium density fiberboard, or MDF platter. The MDF makes the turntable solidly built more than its plastic rivals. With a built-in amp of the Jukebox E, you can connect speakers right to it, making the turntable ready to go. With its analog input of the amp, you can connect to another source like a CD player, game console, or set-top box. The factory-fitted Ortofon OM5E cartridge is an excellent bonus bundled with the turntable. Its elliptical-shaped stylus provides a distortion-free and balanced sound that offers a low wear rate for your records. This turntable allows you to listen to your favorite vinyl or any other audio source in excellent high accuracy without the need for any external components, so you get to enjoy your vinyl hassle-free. The Jukebox E is also jam-packed with everything you need to listen to your music like none other, thus it's poised to become the valued centerpiece of any hi-fi system. At number 2 on our list is the Audio-Technica AT-LP120 USB. It's a direct drive DC servo motor with selectable 33, 45, and 78 RPM speeds. With fully manual operation, adjustable dynamic anti-skate control, variable pitch control with quartz speed lock, and balanced S-shaped tone arm with hydraulic damped lift control and lockable rest. Being a leader in the industry of phono cartridge design for years, it shows within the versatile high performance of the AT-LP120. It also comes with a 0.3 and 0.7 milliliter elliptical stylus, also compatible with any VM95 series replacement stylus. It gives it an excellent array of options for every budget and application. This versatile turntable features an adjustable dynamic anti-skate control and selectable phono preamplifier. The control speeds are also equipped with a USB output and allows direct connection to your computer. You can easily convert your vinyl records to digital audio files by downloading and using the free Mac and PC compatible Audacity recording software of your choice. Connecting directly to your home stereo is not a problem with this turntable because it's equipped with a detachable dual RCA output cable with a built-in selectable phono preamp. The turntable has an S-shaped tone arm with an adjustable tracking force and an AT-HS6 universal half-inch mount head shell with an AT-VM95E dual magnet phono cartridge. The redesigned and updated Audio-Technica turntable offers key improvements and refinements, making it a turntable choice that's great for music enthusiasts. We'd like to pause just for a moment and ask you to subscribe to our YouTube channel to become part of our growing community. Click the bell icon to be updated whenever we load new product reviews. Also, we encourage you to write down your suggestions and insights about this video because we love to read your ideas. Also, don't forget to share this video with your family and friends to help them with their buying decisions. And now back to our list. At number 3 is the Fluance RT81 High Fidelity Turntable. If you want the absolute best in music performance, this turntable stands right up among the top. You'll never expect a far higher price tag on this unit. The sound is great, the construction is solid, and it's very attractive. It'll only take you about 15 minutes to assemble this player. This Fluance turntable is designed for serious performance, and it's crafted from solid auto-grade wood, which reduces vibrations to ensure that the stylus provides the best possible signal. It also features pure analog listening, whereas the premium components allow the high-fidelity belt-driven turntable to recreate the performance the way the artist intended. The superior record tracking of Fluence turntable will enjoy perfect playback using the balanced aluminum S-type tone arm, ensuring that the stylus is rested deep in the record's grooves, producing every audio detail indistinguishable from the original recording. Besides the solid wood plinth, this beautiful walnut finish cabinet is crafted from solid engineered wood, incorporates isolation feet, an aluminum platter, and a rubber slip mat, which results in superior isolation from unwanted vibrations. Lastly, its captivating signal clarity will be incorporated into the high-quality built-in Texas Instruments preamp, the ground terminal, and gold-plated RCA line outputs that ensure a warm, authentic sound. Your soul will be captivated by the crisp, distinguishing characteristics of the music you love. At number 4 is the Victrola Bluetooth Suitcase Record Player. This one is simple and full of features, including built-in Bluetooth technology to wirelessly stream music from any Bluetooth-enabled device, along with a convenient design that carries a handle with a built-in stereo speaker system, allowing you to enjoy your music wherever you go, and you can enjoy the sound as it's meant to be heard in full stereo. It measures 14 by 10 by 5 inches and weighs a little over 5 pounds. The Suitcase Record Player has a 3-speed, belt-driven turntable for all of your favorite records. Also, it features RCA jacks for playing music from any non-Bluetooth device. It's perfect for spinning records in a space-saving way. Play music wirelessly up to 33 feet away and listen to your favorite records with this portable Bluetooth suitcase turntable without all the messy cords. The wireless technology allows you to connect your mobile device, and the built-in speakers provide big sound, featuring a turquoise color that can bring a bright vintage look to your space. This product can also bring beautiful music to life. In your home or on the go, your music will never be far. Just connect and play. Before we head on to our final item, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more up-to-date reviews. Click on the bell icon to get notified when we post new content. Last at number 5 on our list is the Jensen GTA 325 3-speed turntable with stereo speaker. If you want an affordable, easy to set up, but great sounding turntable, then this is the ideal one for you. This turntable offers numerous features that you won't find anywhere else for the value. You can connect the unit to your computer that includes a cable and convert your vinyl records to digital MP3 formats with the included software. Also, you can easily adjust pitch control and record speed with an adjustable belt drive. You can listen to your nostalgic vinyl records with optimal sound by adjusting the volume to the 2 included speakers, or plug in your headset to the stereo headphone jack for private listening. The GTA 325 turntable also comes equipped with an auxiliary input jack to connect your digital media player, iPod, and MP3. This particular brand includes features like the dust cover that protects your records while they're spinning and allows you peace of mind when your favorite album is out of its sleeve. It also has a metal tone arm and auto shop switches that demonstrate that no punches were pulled with this turntable. The Jensen GTA 325 has no radio functionality, but you can still listen to your records the old-fashioned way with this great affordable turntable. For many, this is the closest way to get to the traditional setup without spending too much. Well, we've just shown you 5 of the top picked turntable models on the market. How did they rank on your list? As a reminder, you always want to stick with quality turntables that produce high quality audio performance to truly get your money's worth. We hope you found one on our list that'll suit your preferences. If you did, head on to the description below as we've prepared links on where you can catch them at their best prices. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. Click on the subscribe button to get more informative and update reviews. Hit that bell icon when you want to get notified when we post new content. Also, please feel free to leave your requests, comments, or suggestions. We are always looking forward to them. This concludes our list of the 5 best turntables. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time here at the ReviewTube channel.